everybody, it's Kelly. My mat is looking a little different today. I don't have a layout on it, and that's because I have some exciting news to share with you. On Sunday, I'm taping this on Saturday. You guys might not see this till the following Sunday, but anyway, on Sunday, the 10th of June, Cheeky Studio announced their new design team, and right there, that's me. So I am a Cheeky Chick now, and I'm joining some really cool company. I am part of the YouTube design team. My term will begin in July, so beginning in actually at the end of June, you'll see me do an unboxing for the product for July, and then you'll see me do 2 layouts for Cheeky Studios during the month. So I am super excited to be joining the team. I love Tuesday's work. Tuesday Hubbard is the designer. And I'm also just excited to see what kind of new inspiration it brings for me as well. I also have some great news for you, and you can start using this immediately, but there is a discount code, and if you enter Kelly10 into the on the website, which I will include the discount code and the website again in the description box for this video. But if you enter that discount code, you'll get 10% off a Cheeky Studio order, your Cheeky Studio order. So I'd love to see somebody or lots of you use that before I even have put a layout out. That would be really super exciting for me. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. I'm sorry you're not actually seeing my face today, but honestly, it's over 90 degrees here with the heat index of over 100. I ran this morning, we did a rummage sale, I put up a tent this afternoon, and frankly, I haven't had a shower yet. So, hey, that might be TMI, but it's real life here. I just wanted to make sure that I got a chance to share this with you just because I've had a crazy busy week. So, again, the link to Cheeky Studios will be in the description box below. And the code is Kelly10, and you can use all of that immediately. Can't wait to share my first layout with you. Bye.